Experiencing crashes or glitches in Delta Force? Learn how to repair your game files and troubleshoot common issues to get back to seamless tactical action. If your Delta Force game, especially the newer Delta Force Hawk Ops on PC, is acting up with crashes, freezes, or other strange behaviors, you will want to try some troubleshooting and repair steps. So, for the launcher, click on the profile icon, then on Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Download tab. There, by the bottom, you should see an option labeled Repair. Click on that button. Then, you'll need to confirm before starting the process. The entire process will take some time, as the repair will scan through all of your game files. But once it's done, you'll see a prompt that will either say success or will provide you with the issues it has found. And that's it.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.